Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Piggy Garage. Here I'm just doing a little short video. I just bought a new pressure washer. I just brought a new pressure washer to use with some of the new guns and wands that I've got, just to wash my car with. I got a new MTM foam cannon and the MTM swivel stainless steel sprayer along with the 20-inch wand. I bought them all from Obsessed Garage. I'll be doing a little review on that as well, but I just wanted to do an unbox video of what comes inside this 1700. It's the one with the stand. There's also one that's just the box by itself. But we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside, and I'll put it together, and I'll also make another video after this video once it gets a little bit warmer outside to show you guys how it works in action with the MTM gun package from Obsessed Garage. So here we go. The stand. So we're going to go ahead and put this inside. Nice and packaged in there, pretty nice. I actually bought this off of Amazon. It was a like new condition for $97 compared to the $199 price. What like new condition means is it's like new. I guess this is the wand. It pretty much means that someone got the box and it was probably damaged and they sent it back. And then Amazon just goes ahead and just certifies it to make sure that no one really used it and that it can be sold again for a lower price. Here's the Kranzler wand. Kind of looks like, I guess the trigger's okay. And then it has this weird attachment style thing, and then it goes like that. Pretty long wand here, and it does have the nice little attachment piece. That's something that a lot of pressure washers are missing. That's nice if you have the foam gun that you want to use, which I do plan on using. That's kind of why I bought a pressure washer, was just for the foam gun purpose, right? Let's put that to the side. I'm actually never going to use this gun, to be honest, so, but it feels nice. It feels like a quality gun. Here's the 25-foot hose, which has the 14 millimeter fitting, unlike the Sunjos and the AR Blues. They have the 15 millimeter fittings, which don't actually fit on normal pressure washer hoses. Right here, for example, when you go to connect. So you have to get the adapter when you want a new gun. You can buy that at the Obsessed Garage. He has that, or on Amazon. So that's the hose. And here's the pressure washer. Man, that's a big pressure washer. Alright, so here's the wheel. Looks like it's already been opened. Right. There's one wheel. Another wheel. Goes to the side. There's the battery. There's the hose piece. That's good. It means that it wasn't used because this bag was not opened, which is nice. There's another hose thing. Whatever that is. go. Got the handle in there. So it's got this nice bucket that's removable, where you can put your wand, you know, the thing, and then the hose goes right in there like that, which is nice. And then you can take the electric cord and it goes up here. Let me take this off. So you can go ahead and put the electric cord on the back of this guy, where the electric cord goes on like so. But there it is. Nice little thing. Wheels. Looks like a nice little pressure washer. I'm pretty happy with it. Here's the gun. Here's a little soap thing. I'm not ever gonna use that. Could probably just cut that off or whatnot, but here's the on and off. It really feels like a stable belt pressure washer. Long cord. There's the hose. Go in the bucket. Really nice thing. I really like it. I like the pressure washer. Here it is. Looking back at it, it's pretty good looking. There's the wheels, the side. It's nice. I'll be interested to see just how it works. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks, guys.